Hey guys, this is Terry with Moix RV in Conway, and today we are going over this 2022 Grand Design Imagine 2970 RL. It is fresh off the truck and it won't last long. Let me show you all the features. This Imagine is absolutely loaded with features. It's got perfect entertainment space with dual power awnings, your LED light strips underneath it, outdoor radio system. They've upgraded the steps to the new solid steps, and then absolutely everything on the inside has been changed. This 2970 is absolutely loaded with anything you can imagine on the interior. It's got dual opposing slides, so it gives you all of this living and entertainment space. We ordered this specific model with the table and chairs. You also have the option of getting the booth dinette, Thomas Paine heated massaging recliners, and then just in case you do want some guests to stay with you, you do have the trifold sofa as well, but it's not optional to tell them that they can stay. Roku TV with a 5000 BTU electric fireplace underneath. That electric fireplace does truly produce heat, but it is electric only, so it will not use your propane. You've got a huge pantry with motion sensing lighting on the inside. That pantry is that way you can stay gone for several weeks at a time if you want to. Farmhouse undermounted sink with the sink cover roll up, and then you do have a 10 cubic foot refrigerator by Furrion. That way you can store all your groceries. With as much storage as Grand Design puts in this unit, it is easy to stay gone for weeks at a time. You got the double drawer stack underneath your coffee bar, dual 110 outlets underneath here so you can plug all of the appliances up, and then you do have the storage up top as well. All of the cabinetry in the Grand Design products are European-based poplar cabinetry, and they are glued and screwed versus stapled like some of the competitors. Over here you do have the new control center as well. This is where you will control all of your lights, your water heater, your water pump, all your awnings, your slide, and absolutely everything. Plus, they have upgraded it with the Lippert One control, which is where you can actually hook your smartphone up to it and monitor everything, as well as roll your slides out, your awning out, and everything from a push of a button on your phone. Grand Design has maximized storage in every aspect of this camper. So you got dual storage in the bathroom alone, a 36-inch shower, stainless steel sink, and then a true porcelain toilet in the bathroom as well. Guys, Christmas is right around the corner. This would make an absolute fantastic gift. This is the 2022 Grand Design 2970 RL. Y'all come check us out.